Mercedes GLS 450 21 model. The problem is car the sound is not working or cannot not coming sound. You see the radio is here, media, and then radio, and sound is not coming. Sound is not coming. Sound volume is not working here. No any sound this car. This problem is amplifier is car not proper working. No have communication, radio and audio system, and then you can also when we see the audio system is not working here, and then always the problem tail control unit and head control unit, also with the communication. Also diagnose car. Here you see trouble code have, and then and you see telematic not have its communication everywhere, and also telephone control unit, and then amplifier is sound system amplifier control unit also not responding. Okay, so I'm fixing all. And sound system also no have communication. Check. Location, amplifier, audio control module, amplifier location in left side in luggage compartment here. Okay, the Mercedes GLS 21 model, this problem is the amplifier. Okay, amplifier, this problem is there. Water is damage. You see is there. Yes, see is water damage here, and then all this water inside, this damage is here. Make repair after it's coming, it's good condition. All this water inside. See there.